Se waka na wakoma mu pen. Se wobaye nsentwereni ana wobaye adwuma kese bi daakye a. Breni. Opesa wo ye akan ana English newscaster, TV presenter, sports journalist, film actor ana actress, ICT expert ana software developer. This is Oxford ICM UK degree and diploma programs nyina te say journalism and media studies, public relations and advertising, retail banking and public relations and marketing nyina wo ye. Aviation usua ubetima kwaye adwuma wa dupremu anase airport any hospitality management aduba kwaye adwuma hotel nyina. Oxford ye ne papa acha fiba any finishia me ne wawi omo well equipped TV any FM studio for the practical or your free computer training library ya obaya research wasan wo bi uwie Oxford no wa your national service na so person ya attachment so a wo boa wo fam so no bi ato a regional post office bi a wo Ghana benya bi ato suku ya nkasa e Kumasi kwada so ohwima se only Peters Educational Complex na die nmi Precisie 0504 234005
and 0244 724087
Oxford Institute of Acting and Journalism on ye nyina ye ko.
And he prayed, he travailed to the God of heaven.